Hey guys, welcome back to App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix hotel collection diffuser not working. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you actually fix your hotel collection diffuser here? Well, in this case, there are a few things that you need to do to probably fix this issue. So first is you want to unplug the diffuser completely from the power outlet. Now once it's actually unplugged, grab the remote and control here and find the low button. Now you want to go ahead and press and hold this button, and it's important to keep it held down while you move to the next step here. Now while you're still holding the low button here, plug the diffuser back into the wall outlet if you can. Now don't release the button just yet. You wanna, as you're holding it, you wanna look for a red flashing light on the diffuser and see if that red light, you can release the low button. Now if you do see the red light again, you could go ahead and release the low button. Now after that, give it about like 10 seconds, then press any button on the remote control here, and from then on to see if the diffuser starts working again. So this process essentially resets the diffuser, and in many cases it resolves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to App. Thank you for watching.